Typically when someone comes to my office who's being investigated for a white-collar type offense, they fail to see the seriousness of the offense. They didn't hurt anybody. There's no drugs involved. There's no children involved. However, these offenses are very serious. These clients typically come to me with no criminal history, and they are facing 20 years in prison, 30 years in prison. The white-collar crimes that we see being charged in federal court are typically not the huge Enron cases, the broadband cases. What we're seeing these days typically are cases involving Medicare, Medicaid fraud, mortgage fraud, insurance fraud type cases. These cases are very serious. They're very serious because in federal courts, the amount of criminal exposure someone faces is driven by the sentencing guidelines. And the sentencing guidelines are driven by the value or the amount of loss that was incurred, or the amount that was attempted to be defrauded. Quite frankly, the government has a hard time proving some of these cases. There are all sorts of options on the table when someone is being investigated with this type of offense. The important thing is to hire a lawyer who understands what those options might be. And that's what we do.